Hello traders. So this is a new week. Hope you are doing well. This is the business. So prior week the market just saw that higher. I didn't get the signal I was looking for on the daily time frame. So I just stand still. So it didn't do just going high and hang around this fairly gap. So now I go back on the monthly time frame. So as you can see now the narrative change. Why? Because daily time frame didn't do any signal showing you want the market potentially want to go down. So there is no creation of CB here, there is no distress of BC, there is no shift in market structure here. So there is nothing showing the market can potentially go lower. So from now, the narrative change. Why? Because we have this fair value gap BC. Okay? So now the narrative change because now my directional bias is bullish until this weekly fair value gap fell. See that? Until this weekly fair value gap fell. So that means from now, I'm no longer interested about daily time frame to look for short, engage weekly short term low, but I do need weekly time frame signal. That means the signal I was looking for to pop up on the daily time frame now I'm no longer interested about that and just waiting it to pop up on the weekly time frame. Okay. So from now my directional bias is bullish because it has this favorable gap and this web prices on the daily time frame. So I would be very interesting to engage the rebalance into this weekly favorable BC. If only then we have a daily time frame. Yes, that means if this favorable gap in this respect, therefore I would be interested to engage the high of this weekly favorable gap with NB down. And after that, if the market get there and I have real support for high prices, therefore I will be interested for high prices. But until that, I'm watching to see if their time frame gonna carry the real support for high prices or if weekly candle gonna disrespect to finally engage my long-term trend with resistance and liquidity below this or long-term low. Okay, so from now I'm just bullish from the medium term, but on the short term, see that this is price action. My long-term directional buy, my monthly directional buy is bearish. I'm interested to see a run below that says I value until a monthly candle disrespect is CB. See that? On the medium term, my directional bias is bullish until this fair value gap fair. See that? But on the short term, I'm bearish and I'm just interested to engage the rebalance under this gap. That's so beautiful. What interesting. So what I'm gonna focus on is constant caution premium and previous week. I'm not interested about any higher price. I'm not interested in high price. I'm not interested about anything else. All I'm interested is seeing daily time from disrespect this BC, this BC like this BC asset, not that one. This BC is just the last one above this weekly favorable gap. All carry just a CB, therefore I will get the signal to engage the rebound of the gap. And so time I get there, I will be done. And just wait to see if daily time for one carrot is to look for high price or if weekly candle gonna disrespect and therefore I want to interested to look for low prices. And pay close attention towards this gap. See the low of the weekly favorable gap is overlapping by daily favorable BC, meaning the first daily candle very light is just a tell. The first daily candle that went towards this weekly fair value gap BC. The first daily candle very likely gonna go through that one. It's just science. So not say it's gonna happen, but we're gonna watch. So therefore, until I talk to you, be safe. Let's see you next week. Ciao.